Okay, now let's learn how what if we have different we assign different materials to the sheet this. What we have now is if you look at the sheet here, we have elastic perfectly plastic, right? So what we can do is that before that I would like to change this plastic kinematic. Let me correct my mistakes. No, this one Pagwalo. Since I have this one here, this is not actually Holomon, this is Ludwig. Okay, sorry for the mistake. So this is Ludwig. So done. Okay, so you go to the sheet and you select part, go to sheet, and then now let's say I want early on we have elastic perfectly plastic, right? So when we have let's try one by one. So let's look at what happened to elastic perfectly plastic. Okay, default accept, done. Okay, done, save. So let's run the simulation. It's not gonna take very long time. Almost finished. Okay, now finish. Normal. So meaning that we close this one. Let's open. Open binary file, D3 prod. Okay, now let's zoom in. Okay, maybe we can choose plastic strings or von Mises, anything you want. Okay, you can see von Mises. Okay, you see the shearing. This is when we choose elastic perfectly plastic for the sheet material. Okay, so finish. So what happened if we that is von Mises. You can see the stress. Okay, you can see this the indicator on the top right here for the plastic strain or value. See here, the highest value here is the green, is around 0.9, yeah, 0.1 now. So then okay, so you can also record video for this. If you look here, okay, you can click here, sorry, you can save as a movie. Yeah, you can make a movie for this. So start, and then you can see this is okay. You have the movie. You can press start, and then even you can see here, okay, the measurement of the plastic strings. Yeah, finish. Then you have the movie. Just go to the file. Okay, you can have this movie file, movie 00. See, you have this. Okay, or else if you don't want to zoom in, you want to change the indicator here, you want to see the von Mises. Okay, and then go to movie. Yeah, here icon MS post, I think. Yep. You can also setting the fringe, the static entire model. Wait, let's just focus on the movie only. So now we want to see the stress value. Start. Okay, look here, the stress value. Okay, and then we have the video. This is the image when we zoom in. We want to see the shearing zone. Okay, you can see. Okay, finish. So if go to here, so we have a next movie. The first one is the stress, the strain. So now is the stress. Okay, you can insert this into the your slide, or combine them to make a presentation using all this video. Okay, so okay, now we have look at the elastic perfectly plastic. Okay, what if we change the materials? So we go since we to another model. So let's say we try with this one. Okay, sheet here we change to look, wait, done, accept. Okay, save keywords, and then we run again. We almost finished. So you see here, this is how many competition he made. So, okay, the solver already done for almost done. Yep, normal. Okay, now we choose this hormone. Let's look what happened. Choose D3 plots and zoom in, and then see. Okay, let's look at the element. So when you change the material, see this curved shape here. Okay, what happened? If you zoom in, you can see some penetration still occurs even though we use this control contact. Okay, this we can't avoid this. So now shearing, so shearing, fracture. Okay, okay, you can see it. So let's look at the strain. You can see the strain here, right, where the shearing start to occur. Okay, or you can remove this mesh. So you can look change it to like this. You can choose this. Is anything you like. Okay, there are so many things you can do. You can choose this. 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 So in this case, you want to see. Okay, let's load this. Okay, you don't, let's say if you don't want to see the mesh here, you can also remove. Okay, so you can see, okay, what happened to this. So then, but then again, what you can do is that you can record the movie. Let's just something here. Start. Okay. Okay. And finish. We have this movie for the other material model. Okay. Now let's try if we change to Johnson Coke, how it looks like. Are they going to be different? Does this by changing this going to make any difference? So accept, done. Oh sorry, we choose method number 4, accept, done, and then save. Okay, now we perform. Okay, then finish. Okay, let's see. Again. So I turn on the mesh size here, but then I want to zoom in a little bit to see. Okay, like this. Okay, then let's have a look at this plastic string and play. See, by changing the material model, you can see the difference, meaning that the materials play a big role in this case. But if you zoom in, you can see some penetration. Okay, very severe distortion, right? From from 4 nodes to 3 nodes, so up to the point where the mesh, all there's some meshes eroded. Okay, this is mesh deletion, and okay, then it's finished. So this is what you get by changing the material. So then what we can do is we can also do the if you want, let's just do record some video. Okay, you can control the speed of the video, make it slower or make it faster as you desire. Okay, then we have this. Let's look. We have 3. This is with Johnson Coke material model. This is with Ludwig material model. Okay, where I remove the mesh, and this is the one with elastic perfectly plastic, you can see here. And this is this indicator here to the top right here. I use this effective stress. Okay, so then we finish with this.